Hey guys, it's Erica. Welcome to today's video. So I just recently got a new palette, which is the Anastasia, no it's not Anastasia, well it is. It's ABH Norvina Volume 4 palette. I do wish that they would have put, excuse the light, but I wish they would have put a design on here like they did with the Volume 3 palette where they had the butterflies. And I'm glad she didn't launch this like right after the other three. I don't know why she would have launched one and then the other two. That they were just too close to each other. I actually waited a long time to purchase the third one, but I went ahead and picked this one up because it just screamed summer. It screamed like buy me now. That's basically what I thought when I saw it. So I ended up picking it up and I just really love it. I don't know how I feel about the pressed glitters. I'm not a big fan of those. They are very pretty, but I wish they would be like something separate. Like if I wanted to try it, I could, but I don't like have to have it in a palette type of thing. Like it should have just been on its own and not been in a palette. But I did wear pink specifically for this video, and yeah, I just want to try this out, see what kind of look I can come up with, and see how the formula is, because I do love the other two, so I'm hoping that the fourth one is going to be just as good. So I guess we'll see. If you guys want to see what look I come up with the Volume 4, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so I already have my eyebrows done, and I used the new, not the new, it's new to me, the Tarte Big Ego brow pomade. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the eye look, and I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer for my eyeshadow primer. I do need my little sponge, but I'm just going to put this all over my lids. Back to the makeup, because I'm so excited to try out all of these colors in here. I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing, but hopefully it's something that turns out really pretty. So, alright, so I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. brush. I don't know what you would call it, but it looks like this. And I'm just gonna go in with this shade E1 right there, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Very pigmented. There's not a whole lot of kickback, at least from this shade here. Did I tell you I was gonna put this in a crease? I'm putting this in the crease. But as far as I can see right now, there is no real kickback to this, which is good. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. All right, there you can see a little bit better. It's very pigmented. Alright, so the more that I worked into the shadow, the more I got kickback, but it is not a lot at all. Can you even see the kickback on there? There's really not a whole lot at all, which is pretty amazing. But it blends out really nice, I think, personally. I need to bring my mirror closer because I'm blind, but I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it blends out really nice when you're using it, so I'm just gonna quickly do the other side here. Alright, so this eye blended out just as nice, but my eyes are different shapes, so if it looks like they're different, it's just because my eyes are weird like that. So it's not because I did anything different or anything, it's just because my eyeballs just don't want to be the same ever. And then I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M433 brush. It looks like this. And I think I'm gonna go in with the shade C2, which is another bright pink. And I'm basically, there's like really no fallback. There's no kickback to that one either, which is really nice. But I'm just gonna take that right above, wow, this other pink that we have. And I'm basically just layering that right above it. But that is one pigmented shadow. Wow. That is some pigment. Alright, so I'm done with that. And now I'm gonna go in with, I think, this Morphe M330 Why did I show you the end of the brush? Duh. This Morphe brush. And I'm going to go in with the C4, this one right here.
Let me see the shimmer, Daddy.
Molly's always interested, but I think there is shimmer in that eyeshadow. I'm basically just going to take this and blend out that pink color that we had put on previously. Alright, so I think that blended out really nice. It gave it like a nice little like purple haze at the top, which I really like. Alright, so I have both of my eyes done with the purple. I'm trying to think of what else I would want to do. I think I'm going to cut my crease and then I will be right back. Alrighty, I went ahead and cut my crease, and like I said, my eyeballs are not the same shape, so it is so hard to cut my crease, plus my eyelids are hooded, so anybody who wants to teach me how to do that, let me know. But I'm going to take a flat brush when I can find one. Here's one. So I'm going to take this flat brush, the Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush. Still showing you the butt end of my brushes. For what purpose? What purpose is that? And I'm going to go into this shade. Maybe I don't want that shade. What shade do I want? Yeah, no, I'm going to go in with that shade. I'm going to go in with shade E5 because that's the one that I want to do. So I'm going to do it. And we're just going to hope for the best. So I'm going to take it on that brush. There's not a whole lot of fallout with that one, and it seems very pigmented. So a little scary. And I'm going on the outside of the outer corner, and I'm just packing it on. Alright, so that looks good. I'm just going to wipe my brush off here. And then on the inner corner, just because I want to give like a pop of something, I'm going to go in, not that I don't have a pop of color, right? I'm going to go in with this shade D2, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. I wiped off this flat brush. Also on this eye, it feels like it's very packed on there. I don't know why. This eye doesn't feel like that, but whatever. So I'm going to pick up that yellow, or neon yellow, yeah. And I'm just going to pack that. Well, that has fallout for sure. And I don't know, it's not coming through as I was hoping. It looks better on camera than it does in person. It's still not exactly what I was hoping for, and I for sure have to brush that off because that has so much fallout on it. Alright, and then I want to go in with a shimmer. I always swatch the shimmers to see which ones I want to put in my look. So I have C1, which looks like that. Not bad. And then A2, that one looks like it'd be the one that I'm going to use. Oh, I kind of want to use that one. I think some of these other ones might be too dark. This is D4. Yeah, I think that's going to be too dark. And then I have B4, which is like a brown. Wow, that's pigmented though. Put my brush back. A1 is more like a pressed glitter, but look at that. That one looks really nice as maybe like an eyeshadow topper. And then I have B1, which is more of like a champagne-y color, which looks really nice. All of these swatch pretty good. So, and then you have E2 and E3, which are more pressed glitters. Down here, I'm not going to swatch those because I don't want to make a mess. And then I have A5, which is more of a champagne as well. So, like that. But I think I'm going to go with this iridescent one right there. Just because I want to be, you know, I don't know, colorful today. It's what I'm basically going for. So I'm just going to take my finger, and I'm going to take that shade E2, and I'm just going to pack it right there on the center between those two colors. Oh, I love it. And then I'm going to take that flat brush again. I am going to pick up a little bit more of that yellow shade, pack it on there and kind of blend it in with the iridescent shade. Not much, just a little bit. Pack it back on, blend it out a little bit. Because I did a lot of the blending with my fingers, so I don't have to do too much. Just go in and blend out the pink with that just a little bit. I'm not picking up any more of the shadow because I don't feel like I need it. Just like that. Looks really pretty. And then I'm just gonna take another flat brush here. This one's from Wet n Wild. It's just a flat brush. And I'm gonna take the shade C5 right here, and I'm just putting that on the very, very, very outer corner here and blending it up and in and out and in. Just like that. Probably should have used a smaller brush, but you know what? You win some, you lose some. Okay, and we all learn. So I have this shadow done. I'm debating if I want to do like a white liner with this, like up at the top, and then do the black liner on the bottom. I'm thinking that's kind of how my mind is working, is doing the white. I'm gonna do it. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the NYX white liner. It's not as sharp as I would like either, but we're gonna go with it. All right, so there's one of the liners. That's one of the, you know what I'm trying to say. Apparently I cannot talk today. My hands are shaking so bad because I'm so nervous about messing it up, and I don't want to have to redo it. So it does take me a little bit, but I love it. And then I'm going to do like a winged liner, which is why I didn't go the whole way out to the end. Excuse the loud car. But I'm just going to do the other eye and the winged black liner off camera, but I'm going to use the Stila Stay All Day waterproof liner. I will be right back when I have it done. Alrighty, so I am back. I have the white eyeliner and my regular liner on. My wings never turn out the same either, and as you can tell, the eye shape is different. And this eye I always think turns out better because of the shape of my eye rather than this one, but you know, we gotta work with what we got. I'm trying to make them similar, but they never gonna be similar. It's like your eyebrows are the same. So basically I have that done. I'm gonna pop on some lashes. All right, I'm gonna use the Ardell Naked Lashes in 424, and I'm just gonna put those on with my Kiss Lash Glue. All right, so I put my lashes on with the mascara, and the eyes are pretty much done for now. I'm just gonna finish up my face, like my face makeup, and then I will be right back to show you the final look. Alright guys, so I finished the rest of my makeup. I also did the lower lash line, and I used the shade here, A3, which is right here. And then
one of these because it's my favorite.
And then I also put the yellow shade D2 in like towards the inner part of my eye, just to kind of mesh the colors together. It's not very bright, but it's there. And then I just put some mascara on my lower lashes, did the rest of my face and everything. All right, so I'm going to put on a lipstick, and this is in the shade Frage. I don't know. It's so tiny print. It's from Becca. I'd gotten this a while ago. It's just a nice nude pink. You see that? Alrighty, so that's the lipstick, and I think it looks really good. Anyway, so this is the final look. And I think it turned out really good. I really like the way that it looks. You can tell that the eyeliner is cracking. But like I said, the NYX liner that, that I use, it does that for some reason. My eyes are definitely not the same. But I think for, my eyes and stuff. So I think overall, this Volume 4 palette is really good. There's really not a whole lot of fallout when you're using the shades. They're really pigmented. This yellow, I think, if you pack it in enough and pack it with other colors, I think it'll stand out a lot more. But at least from my experience, I don't think that it's the greatest. shade that I've used, you know, as far as a yellow, so I think you definitely have to work with it more than the other shades. I think pretty much all of these are really good, and when I use them on the eye, I think they blend it out amazing. I would say if you love pinks, purples, like a pop of color, if you're looking for like a good summer palette, I think that this would be really a good option for you. The only thing is that it is very expensive, but I think that it's really good price for what it is, and for the quality of it. I think that it's really good, and I think the look that I came up with is really nice. I definitely, this is gonna be my like go-to summer palette. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and got some good information out of the palette, and out of my review on it. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, look at those swatches, they like stained on there. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you
comment down below what you like for
this is also her makeup. Go ahead, tell them.
Comment down below what you like for Christmas.
Alright, so she wants to know what you guys want for Christmas. I'd love to know what other videos you would like on my channel as far as makeup, reviews. Make sure you thumbs it up. Yeah, don't touch it, babe. And things like that in the comments. And I just hope you guys are having a great quarantine.
And have a great day.
I'm hoping that this is soon over. I know where I'm living, we're extended until June 6th, and I'm not able to go back to work until at least July 9th. So I'm still at home for quite a while, but I hope that you guys are enjoying yourself and everything is going well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!